This is the 39th day of my galansang bird. And this is the 16th day of my baby pigeon. So the two birds are going fast. And I've finished the cage. Here's the result. Wait. And I'm going to put the both of them in there. Inside. Although they're already inside. We're putting little baby pigeon on a basket, the same basket. Because, yeah, it's much more comfortable. And Birdie's on him or her. Now we're about to close the cage, and Birdie's right there watching. And he was like, "What the heck is happening? What? Birdie's not yet get used to it, but he'll get used to it." Birdie. Okay, now Birdie really wants to go out. He's been stepping on the baby pigeon's face and body. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to give a little bit closer look. There. Hi! And please go up. Oh, okay, there. Enjoy. Oh, we're planning to buy another bird. I want to, so Birdie won't be lonely. Okay. Don't poop. Maybe they'll poop. Ooh, bird. Oh, Birdie fell. Birdie. Oh. Birdie wants to go out. But he can't. He's not allowed. Okay, guys. I think that's enough. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Sorry about that. That was my sister. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye.